Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Sam Rainbow video series. Through this video, I'm going to give a little introduction to Java programming as your upcoming semester's main subject is Java programming, Java-based programming software engineering. This is the title of ebook, Professional in Software Engineering. First topic is Java Programming Introduction. As well, if you would like to get our live support service, what you have to do is simply you can visit our official website rainbowenglish.uk and you can activate our package, live support package. After you activate this package, when you are studying, if you get any doubts regarding your studies, you can get a solution from us by emailing or by contact us to our hotline. Then you can create manual lesson-based videos. As well, you can create also manual PDF related to your lessons with support of team of master qualified and all of our team a lot of our so many our team members are lecturers in government-based university, government and also top-rated universities, and also some of them are professionally expert guides in industry related to these subjects, IT, English, and also psychology. Therefore, without any doubt, you can get best solutions from us. As well, if you are a student of our registered university, registered mean there is in a university which we are providing the service, you can get our service. You can get our service through the official group which we have created for you. Through official WhatsApp group, you can get our support service. Okay, as well, regarding these ebooks, if you want to get this note, if you want to create your own note, you have no worries about it. Because you can visit our official website tanglesum.com/education. Then you can find every types of articles related to the ebooks through these links, through this link education. Then in here I have that introduction to C# programming. Then after I'll add soon also this Java programming based article also. Then simply you can create your own ebook by following this article. Therefore, no worries about it. As well, if you have any doubt, you can get our support service by contacting us through our official email address sam@rainbowenglish.uk or through our hotline +947 1777 0000.
For international live support, contact us +947 1777 0000. Email sam@rainbowenglish.uk.
Okay, guys, let's see what is Java. Java is also a programming language, just like the programming language which you learned in your semester 1, just like C# programming. Both of the programming languages have so many similarities because both of them are object-oriented programming language. You know that what are the differences between object-oriented programming and structured programming. I have already explained them, but if you have any doubt, you can ask from us. Then we can guide regarding them to you. Okay, let's see a little description to Java. As well, in here I added the logo of Java. Okay, Java is a popular programming language created in 1995. It is owned by Oracle. This is a production of Oracle, but C# is belongs to Microsoft, and more than 3 billion devices run Java. It used for mobile application, especially Android applications, desktop application, web application, as well as web server and application servers. We can use this such as .jsp based web programming, to create games, as well database connection, and much more. More than 3 billion devices run Java. Therefore, you can get and understand how Java is popular worldwide with these features. Okay, why use Java? Let's see what is the reason to use Java. Java works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and Pi, etc. Because if you created a program with Java, it is not depend on the platform. We can use Java based application on Windows as well, Mac, Linux, and also Raspberry Pi. Therefore, it is a popular language. We can easily use this application in so many platforms as well. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. But Java and JavaScript are different because JavaScript is web-based scripting language. This Oracle Java is a programming language. Don't mesh them. If you find out, you can solve through by contacting us. Okay, as well, it has a large demand in the current job market. As well, it is easy to learn and simple to use. You can easily learn this Java programming, but we know that if when you are learning C and C++ languages, there are you may face to some of little difficulties, but not like them. Just like you learn C#, you can easily learn Java also. As well, it is open source and free. You don't want to pay for use Java. You can use normally standard ideally is NetBeans, which you can use in Java, just like you used Visual Studio in your semester 1 for C#. As well, it is secure and fast and powerful. It has a huge community support because there are so many developers, more than 10 million developers. Therefore, there is a very good community support. If you get in doubt, you can use so many forums in the web and you can get a support as well. Java is object-oriented language, as I explained you, which gives a clear structured programmers and allow code to be reused, lowering development cost because we can use library files just like we used in C#. Therefore, we can use object-oriented concepts through this Java programming. As well as Java is close to C++ and C#, it is easy for programmers to switch Java or vice versa, because as you all are students who learned C# in your first semester, easily you can switch with Java, because if you know the programming concepts, easily you can understand the syntax of Java and the structure, and easily you can learn this Java programming language other than a beginner for programming. Okay, as well, especially when I'm teaching this, I'll do a comparison also to the C# programming course which we learned in semester 1. Therefore, no worries, you can learn this with comparison. Okay. As well as an standard, we are as a standard, we are using English medium to explain this all. But if you have any doubt, when you are getting the support service through WhatsApp's group, you can use your native language, because we are creating these videos for by targeting every academies in local and also international market. Therefore, our standard language is English. But if you have any doubt, you can use our support service through your native language. It is no problem. If there are any problem, you can contact us to get the service. Okay, this is the very first Java program to display hello world. This is the C# program which we used to display hello world in last semester. We can compare it. In here you can find main class, public class main, then main method, public static void main. Then in the main method we can find the code line to display hello world, system out println within bracket hello world. After execute this program, this will be displayed hello world in console window. Okay, we can compare this with this C# program. You can find in here there is a namespace called hello world, as well there's a class called program. In here also we can find a public class main, just like in C# program which we learned, there is a main method, static void main. In here you can find public static void. Syntax are a little bit different, but you can get same, you can see the similarities of these two programs. Okay, let's see the next one. As well, I have added a note related to explanation to this program line by line. Then you can easily understand this, because in your exams also, if you can remember your past paper related to C# programming, there can be questions to explain these code lines and what are the meaning of these code lines. Therefore, if you can use this note, simply you can learn this, and you know to what we are using these code lines. Therefore, easily you can get an understanding about this code line. Then you will be a very good expert programmer through this understanding. So you don't worry about this ebook, because you can create your own note by following our URL, tangleson.com/education. I added every articles related to these, which I used to create these ebooks as well. I'll add this one also to here soon. Then you can click on the link. As an example, I'll show you this. Okay, this is the C# programming based article. The article related to this as well. I'll add Java programming based article also soon. Therefore, always keep in touch. The link education, tangleson.com/education to find these articles. Then you can create your own note to these as well. If you have any doubt when you are creating note, you can contact us to solve your problems. Okay. Okay, again, this is the breakdown of this code line. In here, first one, public class main. This line define a public class name main. The name of the class is main. Then after open curly bracket, within it we can find this public static void main string args. Okay, we can get and understand through this. This line define the main method, which is entry point for the program. We know that main method is the entry point for any type of program, because to run other methods, we will have to call them into the main method. We can remember that in the first semester we created several types of methods in a program, but to run them we had to call them into the main method. Otherwise they won't be run after execute the program. Okay, the public keyword means that this method can be accessed from outside the class, because if this is a public type one, outside of the class also we can access this as a global one. Therefore, we can use public void. The static keyword mean that this method belongs to the class rather than to any particular instance of the class, because if we use static, it will belongs to the class. I'll explain about instant particular instant through another program. If you have any problem, you can contact us. Okay, then after next one, the void keyword means, in here you can find void. Void keyword means that this method does not return a value, because if there is a program with returning value, we can use keywords such as int to return a value. But in here, this program will not be return a value. Therefore, we can use void. The main method takes an array of string as an argument. We can use string to here, which will be passed in from the command line. Okay, then next one, system out print ln, just like in here. Console write line, you can compare with it. System out print ln, this line prints the hello world to the console using the println method of the system dot out object, because this println is included in this system dot out object. To this dot, it simply, the meaning is inside. In the system we can find out, in the out we can find println. Okay, Then after run this coding, we can close the main method through this first curly bracket. Then after we'll have to close also the second curly bracket to close the main class. Okay guys, this is the explanation for first Java, simple Java code to display hello world. I think you have a good general idea about what is Java programming and how to create a program with Java. You can run this coding in any type of Java. Ideally, through it you can get the output, but the standard ideally which we expect to use in this semester is NetBeans, just like we used Visual Studio in your past semester. We can use NetBeans. You can download it and install NetBeans. You can download also, as I remember, version 16, the updated one. Then easily you can create programs with Java as well. We can use home-based application also, because in the C# we learned that how to create a Windows Home application, just like in Java also using NetBeans. Easily we can create home-based application. Therefore, this is the start of Java programming. As well, as I explained you, this Java has a large demand in the current job market, because if you have good knowledge with Java, you have so many opportunities in local and also in international market. You will it is not necessary to visit other country, overseas country, because from here also you can work as a remote software engineer if you have expert knowledge with Java. Therefore, this is the start for it. Therefore, I wish you all the very best to learn Java with Sam Rainbow. Okay, guys. As well, keep in touch this URL. I'll add this URL also to the description of this video. Then you can create your own note with our support service. Okay, hope to see you again with another video. Till we meet again with the next video. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.
For international live support, contact us, +947 1777 0000. Email sam@rainbowenglish.uk.